Hi, good day. My name is Shekinah. Thank you for visiting my profile. Nice to meet you. So, I am a professional teacher and that is my full-time work as of the moment. So, I am applying for a part-time job, and as a teacher, I'm exposed with administrative and operational tasks. So, I'm pretty confident that I can help your team with that if I am given a chance. So, I am just a beginner, and I know every client, as you were, wanted some quality of work. So, hiring a more experience would be good and effective and efficient. But every I believe that every skilled worker or skilled virtual assistants also came from being a beginner. So, if your team is still willing to train some newbie like me, so I wouldn't waste my chance and shoot my shot to give a quality output. So again, I am Shekinah, and by the way, I haven't showcased my sample works, so let me show it here. So here are my sample works that I frequently and regularly do with my full-time job. So hope to hear from you soon, and hope it will be a positive feedback. Thank you and nice to meet you. Have a great day.